Every pair of deerskin gloves begins with nature's raw offering.
Before softness, the material must prove its strength.
Each deerskin glove's hide tells a story in its fibers. This grain is what defines the soul of deerskin gloves. Precision begins long before a single stitch.
Balanced moisture ensures lasting flexibility.
Raw hides move forward toward transformation. Cleanliness is the foundation of deerskin gloves.
The raw skin meets water for the first time.
Excess gives way to purity. Order prepares the skin for its next evolution. This is where deerskin gloves truly begin to change. Transformation starts when raw skin meets science. Time and motion soften the fibers of deerskin gloves. Every pore absorbs durability and flexibility.
Balance is achieved through careful removal.
The hides emerge changed, but unfinished. Neutralization protects the future softness. Excess moisture leaves, structure remains. Controlled tension preserves natural shape. Drying locks in strength and softness. Time replaces moisture with resilience.
Now the skin is ready to become deerskin gloves.
Transformation complete. Craftsmanship awaits.
Behind these walls, raw material becomes refined purpose.
Every movement feeds a larger system.
Precision is built into the foundation.
The factory breathes materials inward.
Human skill remains central to deerskin gloves. Every path leads toward craftsmanship.
Order defines the workflow.
Direction gives purpose to material.
Control keeps consistency alive.
Uniformity prepares for precision. The journey of deerskin gloves now turns human.
Craft begins with respect for the material.
Accuracy defines every future movement. Form is released through controlled force.
Human hands refine what machines begin.
Order prepares for assembly.
Every stitch carries responsibility. Strength is sewn into deerskin gloves.
Dexterity is engineered stitch by stitch.
Comfort is built into the angles. Endurance is built at the edge.
Shape is taught through warmth and pressure. Heat sets form without sacrificing softness. Form released, flexibility remains. Motion replaces stiffness with comfort.
Fibers learn how to move naturally.
Softness must be preserved. Nourishment keeps leather alive. Time allows balance to settle.
Steel is tested by experience.
Balance defines a true pair.
Identity follows every glove.
Now, precision takes the lead.
This is where function becomes identity.
Every curve is intentional. Softness engineered for control.
Movement follows the hand.
Comfort lives on the inside.
Consistency defines quality.
Identity is marked without noise.
Utility refined into form.
From field to everyday wear.
Fit completes the experience. Only the best move forward. Now precision takes over. Automation brings consistency to scale. Every surface is measured.
Imperfections have nowhere to hide. Machines now mirror human care.
Precision lives in millimeters. Performance is tested before use.
Every glove leaves a digital trace.
Only approved paths remain open. Final alignment locks accuracy.
Flow never truly stops.
Human sense confirms machine logic.
The final refinements begin.
Precision transforms function into perfection.
Each stroke brings out natural beauty. Consistency is reinforced mechanically.
Edges define elegance and function.
Brand and durability meet with care.
Form follows function at every bend.
Technology confirms craftsmanship. Movement is tested before wear. Machine is polished to perfection. Human judgment ensures excellence. Pairs are united with precision. Ready for presentation, ready for dispatch. Quality defines the promise of deerskin gloves.
Every imperfection must be caught.
Stitching must endure real-world use.
Movement is measured in repetitions.
Durability is tested against friction.
Protection is built into the leather.
Performance is resilient under extremes.
Every result is recorded for precision.
Only approved deerskin gloves continue.
Reference samples safeguard standards.
Standards confirmed. Journey continues.
Final presentation awaits every pair.
Every deerskin gloves pair deserves secure presentation.
Protection preserves quality for the journey ahead. Identity and traceability are ensured. Order prepares each shipment efficiently. Preparation meets readiness. Inventory awaits demand with precision. Technology tracks every pair. Logistics links factory to the world.
Every pair reaches its destination intact.
And this is how modern factories produce deerskin gloves from start to finish.
From raw hides to finished elegance, every step is accounted.